Okay, Shalom, Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shah.
This isn't the end. I know. Finish.
All right? And the Most High is not a man that he should lie. So if he said something, it's going to happen.
Like I said a little while ago, you're speaking about the mark of the beast being a chip. Bro, there's more information on that, you know, because the masses of the people, they're gonna go against the government. No, it has to be in the scripture. So my question to you, Nate, my question to you, Degenerate Johanna, my question to you, Comfy, and any of you clowns that teach otherwise,
the witness against them, and they declare their sin as Sodom.
You know what that means? They declare their sin as Sodom. That's letting you know right there. What was Sodom known for? Homosexuality. So that's telling you right there that the majority of these Israelite men are homosexuals.
They hide it not.
They hide it not. That's why they have a saying called coming out of the closet. So it used to be 20 years ago, if a man was a homosexual, that was like hidden. Taboo. Right? It was taboo and it was hidden. So now the scriptures say they hide it not. So now they're coming sashaying out the closet. They're coming jumping out the closet. They're about to
Finish.